Igama liyazisho lona lithi Yanga Madiba. Besiqala ukumbona egijima ku Betway Premiership kule viki esiphuma kulo. Yo! Umlando umjida Yanga Madiba. Ubuyaphi Yanga Madiba? Nami bengifuna ukwazi dawo. Yanga Madiba shap. Ubuyaphi plus khona omunye ke beke ngibuza ukuthi hayibo wemfuka Mlobeli uyamazi yini? Ngithi hayi man. Yanga Madiba bafethi out ebuya eEastern Cape eFlagstaff. iFlagstaff ke umuphuma nje la eKokstad uyabona udlulu nokudlula indawo kuthiwa isemagusheni uyoshona ke eFlagstaff ke indawo yakhona buya kuyo ngathi bathini kuGabajana. So ngumdlali wesibili a second player esizwayo lately ukuthi he comes from eFlagstaff. Remember ukuthi there's uNhlonelo Bomelo ogijima kuphi ku Richards Bay. He's scoring goals ku DStv Diskish Island and again angara ku first team ake thola chance no uyayimaximize umjito. UNhlonelo Bomelo naye ke he comes from eFlagstaff. Cishe ke amasisho ukuthi babuya eKaseli 1 yena nobani no Yanga Madiba. But ke uYanga Madiba as much as ezalwa eFlagstaff in the Eastern Cape eMampondweni uyintwana ekhulela kuphi eRustenburg eMarikana. Ungangitshela ukuthi awuyazi Marikana. Ungangitsheli ukuthi awuyazi. So indawo khona bathi iSevonderkop ngiyathemba ukuthi ngiyibiza kahle. So uMadiba uqala ukudlala idisk ena 7 njengazo zonke ke intwana uyazi mawuthi 7 nokuthi uyafika kaso mangawutama nentwana le nina 7 leshaya shot engaki. So naye at 7 bekegijimela i-team beyibizwa ngokuthi iAshante Academy. So at the age of 10 years, he moved to EP4 Academy. So now it's a local team, Konarai, Lo Marikana, Evandorkop. But akusukuthi vele ama academy ngithola. Ama team. But bafaku academy. So at the age of 15, ungena ku LFA. So now ugijimela team ebizwa ngokuthi Basotho Tigers. Igijima ku SAB League. So wagijima la ku Basotho Tigers cishe isizini nje yodwa ngaphambi kokuthi angene before he joined iOrbit College nayo yangara eRustenburg. So waqhubeka wadlala ku SAB but manje segqoke ama colors weOrbit College. So kwahamba ke Orbit College they got a chance ukuthi bazodlala ku Pirates Cup, then wafika uYanga Madiba wadlala nebathema bembheka bezimnyama bathi no yabona manje mase nibuyele emuva shiyana untwana nihambe kahle shiyani uMadiba. Wasala ke neqembu leOrlando Pirates. Lemthatha ke iqembu lezimnyama limlahlela kuphi limfaka kuPelepele. Pelepele kuyazi ukuthi development team yeOrlando Pirates ishisa phe iyashisa yathini bathi uPelepele. So uMadiba wakora amagoli lapha amaningi kanjani qagela Buchisha. Ayikho insizwa mpili isho njalo ethi Buchisha ngithi nawe buza 18 yamagoli. He scored 18 goals for uPelepele. So i-first team yathi no ngeke makabuye lo mfana bamlanda kuPelepele wabuya ke manje ku first team yeOrlando Pirates. Bamsanisa i-first lo i-contract ye-first team bamloana ke manje bamusa kuphi back to Orbit College. Wafike wadlala nje just one season waphinde wabuya. But now umuntu okwazi ukukora 18 goals kanti lo mfana udlala iphi position izwa. He's a natural wing umjida. But when he got to Orbit College he was converted to a left fullback. At Pelepele he was also playing as a left fullback. But he can also play as a left center back as well. Uyangithola? So now ungumjida esingasho sithi umnandi ngespeed. Uzubone lapha yana ku SAB it was easy for him ukuphuma from this line to from ihalf yakhe equmuka ajump line awelele ngala. So it was easy for him ukuthi awelele ngale. So ispeed nje into akanayo and most amagoli wakhe abuya kuma free kicks abuya kuma corner kicks. Mawuthola chance just visit X tweet. You'll see some of ama free kicks wakhe lapha ngibona enye free kick emnandi kabi a long range from a distance mfethu washaya igoli elimnandi. So ngiyakubonisa ukuthi kuningi esizokubona kule ntwana yakwaMadiba. So ugijime nabanye abadlali abafana nabo Blessing Mchunu, uku-Aros Mchunu. Umchunu naye ukorile la 24 goals. And then we have Utshepo Kakora 9 goals in one season. Ngara akora amagoli ngara. So hopefully we'll see Daideng beyiphinda ngapha ku Betway Premiership amajita la esiwabona ethola ichance. But I remember ngo-2023 ngizwa ucoach Pogiso Makgoye lapha ku-Orbit College ethi makephethe uMadiba uyazi ukuthi uyamthatha amdlalise as i-left back, ngelinye ilanga amthatha athi no uzomenza i-right back, so uyakwazi ukudlala ngapha adlale nangapha. So there's a lot to expect, but no pressure from Umchito. Kwamanje nje we are just asking ukuthi who is uYanga Madiba. But ke sesiqeda, do you remember the players who were discovered through the Pirates Cup? Uyamazi ukuthi Mpho Madalane bekedlalela iMalahleni United, ulibahambe lelo gama, bayanda Zulu noZinti ukhona lapha eqenjini leOrlando Pirates ukuthi DDC, but ke uba khona na ku first team ngelinye ilanga nje. I remember party ye first team elapha yana ebhentsini, so umbheka ubayanda Mageba, so kunoSibusiso Daba, kunoRelebohile Mofokeng, kunoNeo Mokoena, ubaphela ufunda lapha eUJ. So these are the players who were discovered through Pirates Cup. And again, Pirates Cup eyinsukwini nje ezimbalwa, emavikini ambalwa beyikhona. So there are new players who were also discovered. So i-tournament le ekhipha ama-player amnandi. Bakhona mhlawumbe abanye abadlali ke wena lapha ekhaya othi emfethu man, nale lenye iplayer man liyafika, le players lazi ntwana, ake sizame ukuluprofile. Eliphi lo player lelo? Mfethu mina sengiyoza ngawe, kodwa ungakhohlwa subscribe, like, comment, ungisuggestele. But khona iplay ngilibhekile bathi usamukele sihlali gijimela isikhukhune, akusikudala naye ethola ichance yokuthi adlale ku first team. Sekezwe negoli akalikora against Cape Town City, umunye womdlali ngithi we need to profile that player. But who do you have in mind? Asibonge.